Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ports and power so the hardware talks to your Mac. Plug HDMI from your camera or console into the capture card's input, then connect the card's USB-C or adapter cable to your Mac. If the card needs external power, attach that now. This prevents intermittent disconnects. Once done, open System Settings to allow any new device. You're acting fast. Physical connection first, permissions next, so the computer recognizes the captured device before moving to software. Now you configure the app that records or streams. Install a vendor driver only if required. Otherwise, launch OBS or QuickTime and add a new video source, choosing the capture card. You should set resolution and frame rate to match the source, 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth motion, for example. Next, verify audio. Pick the card as the audio input or enable system audio pass-through so game sound arrives. Make sure to test mute states and monitor levels. This prevents surprise. Finish by running a quick test recording and checking sync, bitrate, and dropped frames. If you see lag or stutter, lower the capture resolution or frame rate, switch to another USB-C/Thunderbolt port, or enable hardware encoding in your app to reduce CPU load. Once satisfied, start your full session. If the device isn't detected, restart the app, replug the card, and update drivers or firmware. These steps usually fix recognition issues. Remember, methodical testing saves time during the real capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.